2, we said, we patted ourselves on the back. We said, did such a good job, this little function. Let's copy this function and let's make this work for letters, Control C. Letters within a group, okay, like that. And of course, we're getting errors up here, but don't worry about that for now. Let's get letter. Okay, let's see. This prompt here would work well, okay. Now we aren't going to have a min and a max, so let's change this, okay. And let's make this to like a group of letters by val. Should we call this a search string? I don't know, that's not real good, but that's okay as a string. What we're going to do here is we're going to give it like ABC within a string here, okay? And so that will give us the letters that we want to look for. And of course, this can return this now as a string. Like that, okay? Search string really isn't good. I don't like that word, but that's okay for now, okay? Is correct is good. This is going to be good, but this is going to be like a letter string here. This, let's just call it letter. That's good. Okay, let's see. Now we're going to prompt this. Okay, now we're going to say our letter. Change this again. Like that. Okay. Okay, we got to put letter in here again. L-E-T-T-E-R. And the letter. Oh, this is going to be all different here. Let's rewrite this right away, okay? So anyway, we have our prompt. This comes in here. Now what we want to do is we want to check it for being in a string, okay? There's a cool little function called inString. What is it? INSTR, like that, okay? InString says is a value within this, okay? And the first thing you want to put in there, okay, is your, what's it say here? String expression to be searched, okay? So we're going to search that. That's going to be our letter. Okay, and then the second thing we want to do there is what it's sought. Now I got these backwards already. I did this earlier too, and I got this backwards. What we want to do is we want to, in front of there, we want to put in our search string. And then I put our letter second, okay? What that will do now is it'll say, okay, search for this letter within this string, okay? So if this string says A, B, and C, and D, okay, then I'm going to take and I'm going to search for if this letter is in there. If this is A, it's in there, okay? And if it is, it's going to return the position of that letter, okay? And what we want to do is we want to see if that's greater than 0, okay? That means that it's actually in there, okay? Now the only other thing you want to do is we want to make sure that people don't type in 2 letters. So we're going to say, and let's see, letter dot length, okay, is equal to 1. We only want to have a length of 1, okay, just like that. Beautiful. Another thing I want to do here is I want to fix this here. What I want to do is I want to change this dot to upper, okay, so that we don't have to worry about capitalization, okay, and things like that. Okay, then let's see if that's true. Then do this. Oh, this is all cool. Oh boy, this is going to be so nice. All we have to actually do now is return that. We don't have number string anymore. It's a letter, isn't it? Just like that. Oh, that was easy. If we know what we're doing. Sweet. Okay, let's go up here and see if it's working. Okay. Let's see. Let's create a variable dim as a string, huh? Like that. Okay. And then we're going to say letter is equal to, now our get letter, right there, get letter, okay. And what we want to do, we want to put in a prompt. Let's say this is, do we want to play a game over and over again or not, okay. So, do you want to play again? backslash n like that. Oh, n, that's not good. Yes, no. Colon, space, quotation mark. That's our prompt. And then what we want to do is we want to say only return if it's a yes or a no, like that. And it's going to search for that. And then let's just type out the letter then, okay? Dot right one letter, just to make sure it's in there, okay? Here we go, see if it works. Okay, there's our first one working. Okay, we could have shut that off. Okay, let's just type in a 1. Yes, that works. Do you want to play again? Okay, I'm going to type in a letter 4, a number 4. Error. I'm going to type in a V. Nope. Now I'm going to type in a little n. It worked. There, so we got two beautiful little functions that we can use again if we want, okay? If we want to use the get letter function down here, okay, this section right down here, okay, what we do is we take and we just say get letter and we give it a prompt, okay, and then we give it a string of what characters that we want to receive back again. And for our number here, we use the get number, okay, and we type in first our prompt and then the minimum and the maximum. Beautiful, okay. Let's write a little thing in here that tells us what this function does, okay? This function returns a number within boundaries or IES that is not letter. Okay, beautiful, okay. And let's do the same thing for this one down here. We'll take and copy these some days, put them someplace so we can use them again, okay? And this one here is this function will return a letter that is within the boundaries of search string. Right there, okay? Beautiful. Good job.